Saving a Word document. Whenever you create a Word document, you will need to save it in order to access and edit it later. There are different ways to save a Word document. To use the Save As command, Save As allows you to choose a name and location for your document. It's useful if you first created a document or if you want to save a different version of a document while keeping the original. 1. Click the File tab. 2. Select Save As. 3. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the location where you wish to save the document. 4. Enter a name for the document and click Save. To use the Save command. 1. Click the Save command on the Quick Access toolbar. 2. The document will be saved in its current location with the same file name. If you're saving for the first time and select Save, the Save As dialog box will appear.